You're sitting on top of your buddy, Webster, sitting on his head. What's going on here? What's going on here? Is that Webster or Snooky? I can't even tell. It's Snooky. Hey, whoops, whoa, hey, hold on to that camera. Hey, you're invited to December 19th. Hey, the centennial celebration right here in Seaside Heights. Hey, hope to see everybody then, whenever December 19th is. Did I just say September 19th? I don't know. December 19th, hey, another day in Seaside, beautiful day, and they are putting down some boardwalk. Let's go look. December 19th is the centennial celebration, and I think we're having a Christmas parade down here. Don't know how big the Christmas parade will be, and all kinds of giveaways and stuff like that. Last night was the tree lighting ceremony at the Borough Hall in Seaside Heights, which I was not here to attend. And December 31st, hope to see everybody December 31st. New Year's Eve, fireworks, 5 o'clock on the boardwalk. It's gonna be fun, weather permitting. Hey, Big Red, what's going on? I'm up here. Hi, Big Red. Hey, buddy, I'll bring you something later, alright? Bring you a little food later. I'm sure you just had your breakfast a couple hours ago. Big Red, you're just ignoring me. Frady Cat. Hello, Frady Cat. Hello, are you Fantasia? Maybe you're awful big. Fantasia was a kitten. Where'd you come from? Maybe you're Fantasia. Don't know why they put this wall around the sandcastle. Interesting. Fence down. I can walk all the way through now. Hey, I don't have to walk up into town just to get to the boardwalk.
Yeah, guys, get number one up in there. Get everybody.
All wrapped up in your blankie today. All wrapped up in your blankie. Another day at the Jersey Shore, huh, Mama? Another day at the shore.
We're using this side too. This side
Getting
too.
new doors in. 65 doors. Okay, still babysitting the little trailer mutts. Hey, trailer mutts, what are you doing? Exploring their little tent. Hanging around, getting a little exercise, getting a little stretching their legs. Listening to their Christmas music. How you doing there? Oops, which one of you? Tuffy? Hi, Tuffy. And you must be silly. Someday I'll figure your names out. And special thanks to Sheetrock Girl. She brought us some food during the week. Brought some food over to Ruth, and thank you very much for the food, Sheetrock Girl, and hey, it's donations that keep us going. Thanks very much for everybody who's donated throughout the past year. I don't know how much rain they got here, but apparently it looks like they got a lot of rain. Streets are flooded. Oh my God. These cats on this end are way too skittish. And of course, they really don't know me, so if I put food out, they hide until after I leave. Hey, it's the shore store. Yes, the shore store is open for buying all your Christmas needs. Hey, Christmas, a couple weeks away. Everybody ready? Ha ha ha. Hey, Jersey Shore House. There it is. Toward the Jersey Shore House. Rebuild the boardwalk. That's right. Rebuild the boardwalk. Hey, they're rebuilding the boardwalk down here. We're starting the construction. More construction on its way. Hey, not bad out today. A little bit of a breeze, a little cool, but other than that, not too bad out on a sunny Saturday afternoon in December in Seaside Heights. Red and Buddy. What you doing? You gonna eat your food? You got food from breakfast. You still got food from breakfast. When I put food out and you're not going for it. Go for the food. Go get your foodie. You're ear tipped. You right there, kid. That one looks like Webster. Right there. No, that one. That's right, don't forget the Polar Bear Plunge, February 22nd. It's back in Seaside Heights again, and we're going to be attending that Polar Bear Plunge. I sure hope so. Build me a boardwalk. Hey, build that boardwalk. Hey, let's drill that hole. Pick up the old pole and the tower fear's gone. They took the tower fear away. the sawmill, looks like, now.
Visit AutoLender's new mobile website. AutoLenders, a smarter way to buy a car. Is your retirement plan a ticking time bomb? You know how to take your money for the recent stock market? Then we invite you to join Josh Jelinski during the financial quarterback.
Come on, you were cutting it up. Now you're doing nothing. Let's go with some more shenanigans. Let's go. Hey, what are you doing there? Yeah. Are you silly? You're silly. I think you're silly. Are you silly? Alright, you animals. That's enough of the being cute. That's enough of the being cute. That's enough of being cute. That is enough of being cute. Anyway, thinking that Christmas is 2 weeks away, and we usually drive around and look at the Christmas lights, but nobody has any Christmas lights out, and I've come to the conclusion that everybody that had Christmas decorations, they got destroyed in the hurricane last year, and so not too many people have their normal amount of Christmas lights out this year. So in search of the Seaside Christmas lights, didn't happen. Well, that's it, folks. Can't think of anything else to do here on this wintry night. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Keep them comments coming in, and keep watching, and don't forget us at Seaside Heights Animal Welfare Group. Check us out on Facebook. Don't know if I'll get a video up tomorrow, and these videos will be 24 hours late because I have no internet. I have no internet down here in Seaside. Hey, later.